stop if you have herpes. I want to give you a few tips on how to stop your herpes outbreaks. I found that I had herpes back in 2015. I stopped taking antiviral medication back in 2017. And when I did that, I was having back-to-back outbreaks. It was ridiculous. But it was also good for me because I was able to collect the data on my outbreaks to learn triggers that were personal to me and symptoms that were personal to me. So that's step one. Make sure you start collecting the data on yourself. I teach you how to do so in the body journaling workshop on our resource hub. Let's keep going. Number two, I learned to live a lifestyle in support of a healthy gut. Over 70% of our immune system is in our gut. So whenever our immune system declines, we're then more susceptible to having a herpes outbreak. So you must live a lifestyle that supports a strong immune system. Stress-free, drinking 8 cups of water minimum a day, getting 8 hours of sleep at minimum a day, having a healthy gut, especially having a healthy gut. All right, that's 2. Let me keep going real quick. I do detox monthly. So I do a water cleanse and then I do raw vegan for at minimum 3 days after my water cleanse. It's just something that's a part of my routine. Now let's keep going. Mindfulness. Learn how to regulate your nervous system. You cannot skip this. You have to do this every day. You have to show up every day for yourself to regulate your nervous system. Whether that's walking, grounding, meditation, breath work, figure it out, right? When our nervous system goes into a sympathetic state, it communicates to a gene called the JNK gene, which then tells your virus that it's prime time to replicate. Sympathetic state is when we go into fight, flight mode, chronic stress, anxiety, worry, fear. All of that causes your nervous system to go into a sympathetic state. So if you don't know how to regulate your nervous system and you're someone who is always stressed out, you live your life in chronically stressed out, like every day, nothing seems to go right, it's probably because you do not know how to regulate your nervous system, and that's okay. We have 70 pieces of content on our resource hub dedicated to teaching you how to regulate your nervous system. We have a stress management workshop as well on our resource hub. Let me keep going. Supplementing. I like to take multivitamins. A lot of multivitamins we find in the store are packed with arginine. Arginine is an essential amino acid that the herpes virus needs in order to be successful during its viral shedding process. We naturally produce that, right? I found this multivitamin from Natural Cure Labs. This has been with me for a long time now. I promoted this for a long time now. It is a multivitamin that has lysine in it. If you don't know, herpes virus hates lysine, so that's a plus. But it doesn't have any arginine in it. It is a multivitamin made for us and by us, if you didn't know. It has vitamin C, D3, E, B6, B12, zinc, selenium, ginseng root, Echinacea, elderberry, garlic bug, green tea leaf, olive leaf, oregano leaf, and more. This is the GOAT multivitamin. I highly suggest that you add it to your daily routine. I hope this helps.